Thank you for joining me today to check out this yoga pose breakdown. I will explain tiger pose for you. This pose is one you want to avoid if you have any recent or chronic back, hip, or knee injuries. This pose is going to be great to improve your spine and your back muscles. It also strengthens the core. This pose is great to improve your nervous, lymphatic, and reproductive systems also. All right, let's get started. We're going to start in tabletop. Make sure that your wrists are below your shoulders. Make sure your hands are spread nice and wide. So take your fingers really wide and space them apart. Knees are hip width apart. We're going to take our left foot and tuck our toes. You're kind of preparing like you would for bird dog or balancing a cat. It's the same pose, just different names. There's a lot of yoga poses that have different names, but they're basically the same pose depending on what type of yoga it is. You're going to take your right leg and you're going to bring your knee forward and try to touch your forehead. Then you're going to come back up, extending that knee and pulling it up. Knee to forehead, really rounding through the back. Extend, gazes up. You want to do this pose 4 to 8 times with your breath. On the exhale, rounding, knee to forehead. Inhale, gaze up, knee up. Exhale, knee to forehead. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to forehead. Inhale, kicking up. Go ahead and drop that knee down. Go ahead and do it on the left side. Go ahead and tuck those right toes. Gazes down. On your next exhale. Exhale, knee to forehead. Rounding. Inhale, gaze up, heel up. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, up. Go ahead and continue to do this pose with your breath. Excellent. Stopping in center. Go ahead and do child's pose. Go ahead and take your knees together. We're going to do a knees together child's pose to counterpose tiger. Resting here for at least the same amount of breaths that you did on one side. Coming back on up. Please always remember to do a counter pose when you're doing anything in the spine that is either like what we were just doing in tiger pose, where we're doing flexion and extension of the spine. We want to make sure that we relax the spine at the end, or if you're doing back bends, make sure that you're doing a forward fold. Please remember to leave me a comment below. All your comments and likes and shares really help my channel grow and keep the content coming. All right, have a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.